Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to swap those winter blues for some sunshine and smiles? Then grab your shades, pack your swimsuit, and get ready for an unforgettable journey to the stunning Gulf Coast of Florida. We're about to dive into the heart of Tampa Bay, a vibrant playground where turquoise waters meet sugar sand beaches, and excitement knows no bounds. But before we set off on this exciting adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of the fun. I'm so excited to share my love for Tampa, Clearwater, and St. Petersburg with you. Get ready for insider tips, hidden gems, and a whole lot of sunshine. Are you ready to trade in the ordinary for the extraordinary? To feel the warm sand between your toes and the ocean breeze in your hair? Let's go! Nestled along Florida's Gulf Coast, Tampa Bay is a true gem, a sparkling trifecta of unique cities, each brimming with its own personality and charm. Imagine a place where you can zip line through the jungle canopy in the morning, bask on pristine beaches in the afternoon, and savor world-class cuisine as the sun sets over the water. Sound like a dream? Welcome to Tampa Bay. Tampa, the vibrant heart of the bay, pulsates with energy, a captivating blend of history, culture, and excitement. Clearwater, a haven of tranquility, beckons with its award-winning beaches and promises of dolphin encounters. And then there's St. Petersburg, a haven for art lovers and free spirits, where creativity knows no bounds and a touch of whimsy colors every corner. Get ready to be captivated by the unique spirit of each city, to lose yourself in the warmth and beauty of the Gulf Coast, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Your Tampa Bay adventure starts now. Our first stop takes us to Tampa, a city where history and modernity dance hand in hand and adventure awaits around every corner. This vibrant city, located on the west coast of Florida, is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or someone who loves to explore new cultures, Tampa has something special for you. Step back in time as you wander through Ybor City, Tampa's historic Cuban quarter, where the aroma of authentic Cuban coffee wafts through the air and the rhythm of salsa music fills the streets. This neighborhood, founded in the 1880s by Cuban cigar manufacturers, is a living museum of Tampa's rich immigrant history. As you stroll through the streets, you'll encounter vibrant murals, historic landmarks, and a community that takes pride in its heritage. Explore the cobblestone streets, marvel at the ornate architecture, and soak up the vibrant culture that has thrived here for generations. The buildings, with their intricate ironwork and colorful facades, tell stories of a bygone era. Don't miss the chance to visit the Ybor City Museum State Park, where you can learn about the area's history and the people who shaped it. And if you're lucky, you might catch one of the many cultural festivals that bring the streets to life with music, dance, and delicious food. But Tampa isn't just about preserving the past. It's also a city that embraces the new and exciting. The downtown area is a testament to Tampa's growth and innovation, with sleek skyscrapers, trendy restaurants, and a buzzing nightlife. Art lovers will appreciate the city's commitment to creativity, with numerous galleries, public art installations, and the renowned Tampa Museum of Art showcasing contemporary works. For a day of thrills, head to Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, where you can come face-to-face with majestic creatures, scream your heart out on exhilarating rides, and experience the heart-stopping Shikra, a floorless dive coaster that will leave you breathless. This theme park combines the excitement of an amusement park with the wonder of a zoo, offering something for everyone. From the adrenaline-pumping roller coasters to the serene animal habitats, Busch Gardens promises a day of unforgettable fun. And for a taste of Tampa's playful side, hop aboard a pirate ship and set sail on the high seas during the Gasparilla Pirate Festival, an annual celebration that transforms the city into a swashbuckling spectacle. This unique event, inspired by the legendary pirate Jose Gaspar, features elaborate parades, lively street parties, and a flotilla of pirate ships invading the bay. It's a time when the entire city comes together to celebrate with costumes, music, and a sense of adventure. Tampa is a city that truly has it all, from its rich history and vibrant culture to its thrilling attractions and endless entertainment options. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Ybor City, enjoying the modern amenities of downtown, or seeking adventure at Busch Gardens, Tampa offers a diverse array of experiences that will leave you with lasting memories. So come and discover the magic of Tampa, where history meets thrills and every day is an adventure waiting to unfold. Section 4. Finding your perfect nest in Tampa. Tampa, a city known for its vibrant culture, stunning waterfronts, and bustling downtown, offers a plethora of options when it comes to finding the perfect place to stay. Whether you're here for a short visit or an extended stay, Tampa has something to cater to every traveler's needs. After a day of exploring Tampa's many wonders, you'll want a comfortable and stylish place to rest your head. The city boasts a variety of accommodations that range from luxurious hotels to cozy boutique inns, ensuring that every visitor finds their ideal retreat. Luckily, Tampa offers a diverse range of accommodations to suit every taste and budget. From high-end luxury hotels that provide top-notch amenities to budget-friendly options that don't compromise on comfort, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer the charm of a historic hotel or the sleek design of a modern establishment, Tampa's hospitality scene has it all. For a luxurious stay with a touch of history, check into the iconic Don Cesar, known as Florida's Pink Palace, a grand dame of a hotel that has been welcoming guests since the Roaring '20s. This historic hotel not only offers opulent rooms and suites, but also provides a glimpse into the glamour of a bygone era. Its beachfront location and world-class amenities make it a favorite among those seeking a lavish getaway. If a modern and chic vibe is more your style, consider the Epicurean Hotel, a boutique hotel that celebrates all things food and wine. This hotel is a haven for culinary enthusiasts, offering unique experiences such as cooking classes and wine tastings. The rooms are designed with a contemporary flair, providing a stylish and comfortable environment for guests. With its on-site culinary theater, rooftop bar, and close proximity to some of Tampa's best restaurants, it's a foodie's paradise. Imagine ending your day with a delicious meal at a top-rated restaurant, followed by a nightcap at the hotel's rooftop bar, all while enjoying panoramic views of the city. And for families or those seeking a more laid-back atmosphere, the Sailport Waterfront Suites offer spacious accommodations with stunning waterfront views, as well as family-friendly amenities like a pool and kids club. These suites are perfect for those who want the comforts of home while enjoying the beauty of Tampa's coastline. The relaxed environment and ample space make it an ideal choice for family vacations or extended stays. No matter where you choose to stay in Tampa, you're sure to find a warm welcome and a comfortable retreat after a day of exploring this dynamic city. The friendly hotel staff are always ready to assist with any needs, ensuring that your stay is as pleasant and memorable as possible. From the moment you check in to the time you depart, Tampa's hospitality will leave a lasting impression, making you want to return again and again. Section 5. Clearwater sun-kissed shores and dolphin dreams. Next, we're heading west to Clearwater, a coastal paradise renowned for its powdery white sands, crystal clear waters, and of course, those playful bottlenose dolphins. Clearwater Beach, consistently ranked among the best beaches in the U.S., is a sun worshipper's dream come true. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing on the shore, listening to the gentle rhythm of the waves. But Clearwater is more than just a pretty beach. Embark on a thrilling dolphin watching tour and witness these intelligent creatures leaping and playing in their natural habitat. Explore the vibrant Clearwater Marine Aquarium, home to Winter the Dolphin, the star of the heartwarming movie Dolphin Tale. For a dose of art and culture, stroll through the streets of downtown Clearwater, where you'll find charming boutiques, art galleries, and a thriving culinary scene. And don't miss the nightly sunsets at Pier 60 Festival, a celebration of Florida's breathtaking sunsets with live music, street performers, and local artisans. Section 6. Clearwater accommodations, coastal comfort, and beyond. When it comes to finding the perfect place to stay in Clearwater, you'll be spoiled for choice. This vibrant coastal city offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every taste and budget, ensuring that every visitor finds their ideal home away from home. For an unforgettable beachfront experience, check into the luxurious Sand Pearl Resort, where you can step out of your room and onto the pristine sands of Clearwater Beach. This resort is renowned for its elegant rooms and suites, many of which offer breathtaking ocean views from private balconies. Indulge in world-class amenities, including a lagoon-style pool that invites you to take a refreshing dip, a full-service spa where you can unwind with a variety of treatments, and multiple dining options that cater to every palate. Whether you're in the mood for a casual beachside meal or a gourmet dining experience, Sand Pearl Resort has you covered. If you're looking for a more intimate setting, consider the Opal Sands Resort, a boutique hotel that offers stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico. This resort provides a serene and sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a tranquil escape. Enjoy the luxury of a private beach, where you can relax in the sun or take a leisurely stroll along the shore. The rooftop bar at Opal Sands Resort is a highlight, offering a perfect vantage point to watch the sun set over the Gulf while sipping on expertly crafted cocktails. It's an ideal spot for a romantic evening or a relaxing end to a day of exploration. And for families or those seeking a more budget-friendly option, the Clearwater Beach Marriott Suites on Sand Key offers spacious suites with kitchenettes, making it easy to prepare meals and snacks. This family-friendly resort also features access to a private beach and multiple pools, ensuring that both kids and adults have plenty of options for fun and relaxation. The Clearwater Beach Marriott Suites also offers a variety of family-oriented activities and dining options, making it a great choice for those traveling with children. From building sandcastles on the beach to enjoying a delicious meal together, there's something for everyone. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, a family adventure, or a relaxing getaway with friends, Clearwater has the perfect accommodations to make your stay unforgettable. With its diverse range of hotels and resorts, each offering unique amenities and experiences, you're sure to find the perfect place to create lasting memories.